an impressive sight, isn't it? That is the King's Library, assembled by King George III in the second half of the 18th century. Now, 4 floors below my feet here at the British Library lie its vast basements, which, as you can imagine, also contain a lot of books. But did you know that they also contain 6.5 million sound recordings, which are now being digitised? The British Library is the National Sound Archive, with sound recordings spanning the last 130 years. These are stored on all sorts of physical formats, from delicate wax cylinders to brass discs to short-lived formats like mini-discs. Remember those? There is a big push to digitise them and make them available online. Each of the 40 different types of storage format has unique challenges. They all need their own playback devices, and some need a little TLC to coax the best quality sound from them.
Something reasonably robust like a vinyl disc. We have an ultrasonic bath to be able to shake that out of its hiding place, but we also have the more traditional type of cleaning machines that brush and vacuum arrangements that can produce some quite startling results when you start to clean off otherwise invisible gunk.
The team also have a workshop to keep their collection of machines in tip-top condition, so staff can work on as many concurrent transfers as possible and chip away at the millions of recordings.
If you're faced with a tape or a disc that's in a really parlous state and you take it off a shelf, it may be mouldy, it may need treatment, it may need some sort of repair. Doing that process, that active process of caring for, conserving and repairing that media such that it can be replayed, even just once, is hugely rewarding. Certainly challenging, but yes, rewarding.
But with only 2% of their collection digitised and only 15 years until some recordings become unsalvageable, it's a race against time to save as many as possible. Which reminds me, I've got a box full of mini-discs in my loft. I should bring them in. Anyway, that's it for this week from the British Library. Don't forget we live on Facebook and on Twitter at BBC Click. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you soon.